Welcome, everyone. In this lesson, you will practice 22 daily English sentences. If you practice like this every day, you will start speaking English.
Oh, okay.
Sentence 1. I am at home.
Okay.
We use this when we are inside our house. Example, I am at home now. Repeat after me.
I am at home. I am at home.
2. I am feeling tired.
Oh,
We say this when we have no energy. Example, I am feeling tired today. Repeat after me.
I am feeling tired. I am feeling tired.
3. I need some rest.
I see.
We use this when we want to relax. Example, I need some rest now. Repeat after me.
I need some rest. I need some rest.
4. I am watching TV.
Okay.
We say this when we look at the television. Example, I am watching TV at night. Repeat after me.
I am watching TV. I am watching TV.
5. I am having dinner.
Oh,
We use this when we eat in the evening. Example, I am having dinner with my family. Repeat after me.
I am having dinner. I am having dinner.
6. I am talking to my family.
Okay.
We say this when we speak with family members. Example, I am talking to my family now. Repeat after me.
I am talking to my family. I am talking to my family.
7. I am using my phone.
I see.
We use this when we use our mobile phone. Example, I am using my phone now. Repeat after me.
I am using my phone. I am using my phone.
8. I am listening to music.
Oh,
We say this when we hear songs. Example, I am listening to music now. Repeat after me.
I am listening to music now. I am listening to music now.
9. I am going to sleep.
Okay.
We use this when we are ready to sleep. Example, I am going to sleep early. Repeat after me.
I am going to sleep. I am going to sleep.
10. I woke up early.
Oh,
We say this when we get up early. Example, I woke up early today. Repeat after me.
I woke up early today. I woke up early today.
11. I am making tea.
Okay.
We use this when we prepare tea. Example, I am making tea now. Repeat after me.
I am making tea now. I am making tea now.
12. I am hungry.
Oh,
We say this when we want to eat. Example, I am hungry now. Repeat after me.
I am hungry now. I am hungry now.
13. I am thirsty.
I see.
We say this when we want to drink water. Example, I am thirsty now. Repeat after me.
I am thirsty now. I am thirsty now.
14. I am going outside.
Okay.
We use this when we leave the house. Example, I am going outside now. Repeat after me.
I am going outside now. I am going outside now.
15. I will come back soon.
Oh,
We say this when we return in a short time. Example, I will come back soon. Repeat after me.
I will come back soon. I will come back soon.
16. I am busy right now.
Okay.
We say this when we cannot talk now. Example, I am busy right now. Repeat after me.
I am busy right now. I am busy right now.
17. Please wait a moment.
I see.
We use this when we need a little time. Example, please wait a moment. Repeat after me.
Please wait a moment. Please wait a moment.
18. I am ready now.
Okay.
We say this when we can start. Example, I am ready now. Repeat after me.
I am ready now. I am ready now.
19. Let's start.
Oh,
We say this when we begin something. Repeat after me.
let's start. Let's start.
20. That sounds good.
Okay.
We say this when we like an idea. Example, that sounds good. Repeat after me.
That sounds good. That sounds good.
21. I understand.
I see.
We say this when something is clear. Repeat after me.
I understand. I understand.
22. Good night, sleep well.
Oh,
We say this before going to sleep. Repeat after me.
good night. Sleep well. Good night. Sleep well.
Very good. Practice like this every day and you will speak English with confidence. Save this video and come back tomorrow.
Okay.